Hello everybody, Man Mick here. I just thought I'd introduce you to my Mutt 125. I had the bike since 2020. It was a show bike for Mutt, and they've obviously gone bust since that point. So we have it in storage. Obviously we treat the oil in the engine and we treat the fuel to make sure it doesn't go off. It's just stood in the back of my garden for the past 4 years. Bring it out every year to give its MOT. So it's just going to go for its MOT soon. Next week, so it's 2019, which is basically brand new. She's ACF 50'd all year round, covered over, then we get her out and clean her back up again. And as you can see, she purrs like a kitten. And as you can see, she has done 33 miles.
Let me know in the comments how much you think the bike is worth. It's one of a kind. You never know, you might bite my arm off. If you are a collector,